Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create a blog on your Weebly site. What I noticed with both of your pages, they look really great, but I think what you're doing is creating just a basic page and adding in your blog post there, and I want to show you the difference between pages and blogs, and then hopefully I'd like you to actually move over what you've done into a blog. So for example, here's a basic Weebly site that I've created. I'm going to go to pages, and what I think you've done is that you've added a page. So let me just say new page demo. And what that is, when you click on it, is a blank page, and this is where you're dragging in your paragraph with title. This is where you're putting in your blog posts, and you're dating them, and that's fantastic. But I want to show you the difference between doing that and actually creating a new blog page. So this is what you have on your site. Instead, I'm going to go to pages, and now I'm going to add blog. So let's do blog demo. And what you see here when you click on this, the difference is that it has now buttons for you to add a new post. And what this does is every time, you won't have to go back and actually edit this page, you'll just click on new post. And let's see, new post. I'm going to drag in, just like you were before. Now when I publish this, it shows up with the title and also the timestamp, which is really important for me as the instructor when I'm grading. And then the ability to share out on Twitter, on Facebook, and then for others to leave a comment. And so the commenting feature is really helpful too, especially when you're thinking about creating a blog that other people outside of this class could potentially view. So I'd like you to actually create a blog. And so now, if I were to come up, it's Module 3, I need to create a new post, then, I title it, and when I publish it, it will show up above my first post, and I'll have a collection of all of them. So what I'd like is for you to do this. What's another reason that it's nice to do this is I can subscribe to your post through my RSS feed. So I use Google Reader because I read a lot of blogs, and I will type in the URL for a blog and it'll alert me every time a new post is made. I can't do that if you've just created a page. It won't recognize it as a blog, but by using just the blog format, I now will get an alert in my Google account every single time you make a post. So and then other people outside of this class, if they enjoy your reading and they can subscribe to what you've written, they can also keep track of the things that you post. So what I'd like you to do is to go onto your Weebly site and actually create a blog page, and then maybe even move over your posts that you've made so far. I'll make note that you've already done them. It's not like the time. I know the timestamp will be off, but that would make my life easier, and I think it'll actually be better for you as well. If you want to keep regular pages for your About Me, that's great. If you want to collect resources and share out, anything else that you'd want to create a web page for, the blank page would be perfect for the purpose of this class and your blog. I'd like you to create a blog page. I've rambled quite a bit, so let me know if you need any help with that, and keep me posted when that change happens. Thanks, guys.